FreeBSD reviews, tutorials and gaming.
Right, I'm testing out OpenBSD 6.4. I've never used it before. I've never installed it before. So we're testing it out. It's interesting that all the background seems to be blue. That's unusual. Okay, we'll see how it goes. Welcome to the OpenBSD. Okay, install, upgrade, auto install or shell. I'll press I think, for install. I read somewhere that that's what I should do, and okay, I'll try it. Choose your keyboard layout. Okay, alright, okay. Oh crikey. It's not very friendly, is it? Is there a GB on there? GB. Well, there's UK, I suppose. I mean, I suppose that stands for Ukraine, does it? It's next to US, so... yeah, I'll go for UK then. I have no idea. Yeah, this installation is not as polished as the FreeBSD or even NetBSD, which NetBSD one I actually enjoyed. I think it was very nicely done. This one is far more basic. Yeah, UK then. Host name, just put test. Which network? Just go for the default, that one. Yeah, we'll go for the DHCP. None. Which network? I just press done. Or if I want to configure it. Password. And again. Yeah, go on then. Yes. Do you want next Windows to start back? No, okay. Maybe I should put yes, but no, I'll put no. Set up a user, yes, of course. Set up a user, enter a loan name. I'll just put my name in then. It's interesting that there's no yes. You just put your name in or no. Full name. Password. Yeah, again. Allow, no, okay, I won't allow that. Time zone, it's picked up London, that's good. Yeah, WD0, whole disk I think. Alright, that looks okay. I'll just put auto. I don't know what I'm doing, so it'll be auto. Right, he's doing his business. Well, it's basic. I'll put 0. I mean CD 0. I'll take it off the DVD. Path name. I'll leave that defaults. Select them all. Yeah, just leave it. Go for the default. Done. Yeah, continue. Yes. This is only in a VirtualBox session. Right, okay. Yeah, this is it's kind of a, yeah, it's a bit sparse. It's not very user friendly, as they say. But you know, if it gets the job done, it gets the job done. I hear a lot of good things about OpenBSD from its users. Oh, location of sets. Oh yeah, just put done again, I think. Yeah. Possibly. Okay. Picked up the multi-user machine, yes, because I put 2 cores in the virtual session. Alright, congratulations, it's you successfully completed. Okay, that's fairly quick. No nonsense, straight to the point. I shall... yeah, I'll go for a reboot, I think. Then it reboots, it'll probably go into where I need to be. Right, we're in the new session, booting it. Again, the same blue background, that's very strange. Reminiscent of the old BBC Micro that used to get from the 1980s, where you could select blue background and white text. Yeah, this scrolling information is pretty standard. Some of it looks different from a FreeBSD install, but you know. Well, that was fairly quick boot. RoboNuggie. Password. Oh, I have mail. Apparently I have to read the mail. Apparently. I think it's... yeah, okay. Alright, it's just an update of the various options that I chose in case I want to copy them. And... alright, okay. Alright, okay. Maybe I should do that. Run syspatch. Oh well. Ah! Now this way looks like Motif Window Manager, but I don't think it is. It's Motif style. Oh, I know this is FreeWM, I think. Yeah. Just looking by some of the styles of it, it looks like it. I think it's trying to be a motif based. Well, probably it's motif based. Try to look like NWM, but yeah. Yeah, it's FreeWM, not. Oh, yeah, it's using 56 megabytes. That's pretty low. Yeah. Okay, what is that now? So yeah, well, it's pretty basic. I don't mind this. A lot of people would run for the hills seeing a desktop like this. I'm not forced. I use something very similar all the time. I'll use it for a bit and then maybe we'll install another desktop later. Oh, no Firefox. Interesting. Well, I didn't think there would be, but you know. Let's see if we can install it. It uses the old, well, to me, it's the old way of doing it before FreeBSD did the PKG NG, or the next generation. So PKG underscore add is what it still uses. Ah, right. Okay, well, let's load it. Do you know, I think we're actually, I'm not sure, but I'm sure it's loading off the disk. I could be wrong. I'm sure it is. Probably explains why you got a slightly older version of Firefox. But that's fine. We're just testing it out. I'll probably try installing the usual things. You know, you've got the web browser, Office application, some multimedia stuff, OBS, simple screen recorder. You know, the essential tools that you use when you create YouTube videos, I think. Okay. So, done. Right, okay, what I'm looking at, right, okay. Still not used to FreeWM. Oh no, you get some basic X applications at the top and calculator. Alright. I like that shade of red. That'll go well with a FreeBSD theme, actually. Yeah, get rid of that. Right, okay. Oh, no, sorry, mouse slipped. Right, we'll test it out, shall we? Firefox. Oh, that's quite quick. Quite speedy. I like that. Close that. Right. There we go. Google. That's interesting. Well, the maximize button don't really maximize, so you have to do it manually. Okay, I'm not used to that. But it doesn't make, it makes no difference. OpenBSD. Let's have a look at the home page for BSD. Loads quite quick. Mind you, I am using the 256 megabyte memory doohickey for VirtualBox, so it gives it twice as much video RAM as it should have, so that does speed things up a little bit. And you can find that on my how to W VirtualBox memory video. Not that I'm shamelessly plugging my own videos, but you can find it on that if you want to know how I did it. It just generally speeds up your VirtualBox loading. Right, okay, discontinue porn, right, okay. Yeah, it's supported on quite a few platforms. Good to see that the Amiga was on there. It's a shame it's discontinued though. Right. Okay, let's add. Oh, so we can search. Oh. Well, we'll do it randomly to see if it's on there. We'll do that security Linus. I didn't run this on NetBSD, but I'm running it on OpenBSD because of its famed security. I want to see what the score is. Oh, that's not good. I'll need to. I need a black background on that, I think. That's a little bit better. It's not fantastic. I should have done a bit bigger than that, but it'll do. There's the directory structure. It's very nice. Interesting that it's got this X11R6. That's separate. Right, let's run it. It's I can't remember what it does now. I think it's Linus. Oh, audit system, right? Okay. So, oh, I can't see what I'm typing. Okay, let's clear it. Get the text to the top. Right. Linus audit system. Well, we're a couple of versions out, but it'll do. I just want to, a brief overview of the score. Ooh, 69, very good. Can't remember what the other scores were, about 54, 58 at the most on FreeBSD and hardened BSD. Yeah, hardened BSD was about 58 or something. Very good score. Mind you, I wouldn't expect anything less really of OpenBSD. I'm practically out of the box. Oh, that's very good. Make a very good server, as it does. It makes an excellent server, does OpenBSD, if you just want security. But at the moment, I'm going to try and use it as a desktop. We're going to have a poke around with it. I can't get this. The maximum. Oh, right, the maximize. Weird. I'm going to put a different desktop on because this is for devotees of FreeWM. You know, this will be great, but I've not used it in years. Okay. Destroy. Right, clear that. PKG add. LibreOffice. I don't know how long this will take to install. If it takes too long, I'll fast forward. It shouldn't do. Right, okay, it's done. Now I'll test out what version and how fast it is, for those who wish to know these things. Quite quick. OpenBSD certainly is snappy, certainly is fast. Alright, okay, looks good. Oversight, okay, no, get rid of that. The open box is, not open box, but you know the open box, as in the save box, open box, loading box. Yeah, that was a bit oversized. Okay. Okay, close out, I don't need to save it. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, no, I'll see what version it is, don't I? 6.1.1.2. Alright, not too bad. It's for those who want to know what version. I mean, to me, I'm not bothered as long as it still does the job. Alright, okay. Clear that. I do like JWM. If I wasn't an MWM or Motive Window Manager user, I think JWM would be my second choice for Window Manager. It's extremely lightweight. Looks relatively modern if you like flat schemes out of the box. So yeah, and it's still light. So overall, it's very nice. There's no find. Launch C-Monkey again, see how that works out. Launch C-Monkey. Yeah, just unclick that, yeah. See, I much prefer C-Monkey. It's got a very old-fashioned look to it, but it's functional. Without any of the unnecessary changes that Mozilla has done to Firefox over the years. I'll just make them smaller. Not my rights, yep. Google them. It's really quick. Yeah, we're going to YouTube. We're going to visit a channel that you might know. Oh, no, it's not PewDiePie's. Alright, looks a familiar name there. Yee. Right, okay. Well, that's really quick. Whether or not it plays the video is a different thing. Well, it kind of, and then it stalls. So, yeah, mind you, my internet connection is not the fastest in the world, and it's probably overloaded with something else I'm doing, so you'll do that. Okay, well, we'll see if I can. Nah, I say won't play it, even that one. Doesn't matter. If I was to test this out on real hardware with some NVIDIA drivers, if they're available for OpenBSD, then I think it'd work. Grey screen. Oh yeah, there we go. Use default. Well, there you are. It's XFCE. I think it's quite snappy, look. Really fast. There's no OBS and there's no simple stream recorder, but never mind. There's your settings, for those who wish to see it. And your appearance is, as it always really is, on here. Oh, you only get 2 installed. I have to install some more if I want it. It's fairly basic stuff. Multimedia, Audacity. Oh, not first time startup. Yeah, there we go. It's all very basic looking, but it's good. I like it. There you go. Internet. Inkscape. I'm glad it's got Inkscape. Inkscape is a go-to program for me. There you go. Yeah, looking at some of the blurb, it says there is a way that you can search for packages in OpenBSD, and it is called Package Locate. Alright, okay. So it's not part of the... Alright, we'll try on this one. Package Locate. If I can spell it right. No, again, no, right. So it's not a part of the base system, you have to install it, no doubt. Let's have a look. What did I scribble down? PKG add yeah, okay, right, so it comes about that package locate database. Okay, now it works. Do you know, that may be a good idea if that's actually part of the main system, but I don't know. So it'll search for any keyword that you put in. So let's put OBS Studio. Icon themes, but not OBS Studio itself. Alright, okay. Let's try the one which I searched for. No, not Recorder. Yeah, okay. Simple screen recorder. Yeah, there's lots of recorders on it. Yeah. Well, that's not putting a dampener on it, but I mean, if it hasn't got them two items, then it makes you wonder what else there isn't available on OBS. Not on OBS, OpenBSD. Got OBS on the brain. It's a shame because I like what I see so far on OpenBSD. It's quick, it's snappy, it's very secure, as the reputation goes. It's just, I don't know, it feels, and I don't mean this as a criticism in a bad way, so I don't want you. I'm going to get loads of people jumping into the comment section, giving me jip and voting down, but it feels very old-fashioned. I mean, I know it's Unix, there's a lot of command lines in it, there's a reason FreeBSD and NetBSD, but I don't mean it feels old-fashioned in the terms of the way it looks. It feels old-fashioned because it hasn't, the package management system seems old. I mean, I'm used to the FreeBSD one. The NetBSD one with its one program that manages it all was excellent. In fact, it's so good I prefer if maybe FreeBSD was to adopt it. But I don't know. You haven't got the newness of the FreeBSD package system on OpenBSD. Nor have you got the one single program to do it all for you, like NetBSD's got. And even compiling from ports is not really encouraged on OpenBSD. It's more of a binary focused operating system, really. So really, I don't know. I mean, I can look on I know there is a website that you can go to with it lists all the OpenBSD packages, but even so, I mean, yeah. Oh well, I had a look. I don't think, you know, if you like OpenBSD and you use it and you're happy with it, well then brilliant. You know, I wouldn't ask you to switch. You wouldn't want to switch, but I don't think I will switch. I think FreeBSD is the first and foremost operating system that I love. I absolutely think it's brilliant. There are other derivatives of it which do make your eyes wander. NomadBSD, Project Trident, to a limited extent GhostBSD. NetBSD, which really isn't a descendant of FreeBSD but became before it, that is something which I would look at as well. OpenBSD, no, I don't think so. But that's not saying it's bad. It's just I don't like it, and yeah, it just feels old. I know secure-wise, it can't be beat. It's probably the best and most secure there is in that way, and that's brilliant. For me, it doesn't ring a bell. For you, it might. For me, it doesn't. Okay, thanks for watching, and I will catch you next time.